Ready to try this? You ready to try this? Oh gosh. What? Yeah, I'll try this, alright.
It's like, I would love to try it.
Yeah.
Interesting.
That was weird. Let me try that again. Let me have some. Oh, well. Okay. Interesting. Try slurping it, dude. Try giving it a little slurp. Whoa.
What do you think, bud? You gonna get this one?
Sure.
Get the other one?
Bub?
Not quite sure what to do with this yet.
Okay, well, one of these days we're going to get it down your
There's
throat.
not a whole lot of swallowing going on at this point.
A whole lot of fun happening, though. Oh, that's good.
That's a good bite. I think you swallowed some of that.
But you're getting it a little messy. It's okay. It's to be expected. Once you put that hand down. There you go. Slurp it.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
tough work.
Now we're getting the hang of this.
Mm-hmm. Well, I think he wants it. What do you think? Grab my hand. Like,
Yum. He definitely wants more. Keep it going, Mom. It's going too slow.
oh, there's a swallow. Good job, bud. Look at you eating like a big boy. Hey guys, got my arms back.
If you let me help, I'm a good helper. I'll just help you along.
That was a good one.
What do you think, bud?
Huh. Let's try you slurping it. That's sometimes helpful. Nope. I don't think you know what slurping is. I'm trying to swallow that. Well, geez. Who knew? All right, bud. Oh.
Good help. Good help.
Good helper. Good helper. Gosh. Okay. Oh, yeah. You're a helper, all right. You're a helper, all right. Oh, that one.
Just thought I'd see what happened.
Landon. Open. There you go. Good job, bud. You're getting it. Landon, open. Ah. Open. Oh, okay. Good. Pretty good. You want to open? Open wide. Oh. Okay. This is going pretty well. Go open. Oh, bud, this is just a mess. You got a milk mess.
You like it?
You like it? Open? Oh, well. Open? Open? Is this going to make you sleep all night? Probably not. Oh, up to your nose. Well, I think we'd have something ready to clean you off. Open. Open your mouth. That's a good job. That's a good swallow, bud. There you go. You're listening to me. And not necessarily on the swallowing part, but you're opening. Getting the opening part of it. What do you think of this new high chair? You want another bite? Ready? Yeah. A little drooly. Oh, can't let her take that from me. Ready?
Have another bite.
Have another bite.
Have another bite.
Go ahead. Open. Open. Come on, bud. There you go. Oh, and just wait. You got green beans in the cupboard and peas. You're gonna be crazy eating man. Does this taste any different? Barely anything. Come on. Open. Right there. Huh? Oops. Just wants to suck on the spoon. Yeah. There you go.